Welcome to Neural Network News. Today I'm going to show you new AI with which you can capture the essence of your lyrics in a captivating melody. With Voicemod AI, you have the power to transform any text into a fully fledged song. Explore a vast array of musical styles, including rock, classical, jazz, pop, and more. The best part? The end result is remarkably impressive. Let's start our tutorial. The first step is to register on the website. Once you have completed the registration process, you can begin creating your own songs. Simply click on the Create Content button and navigate to the Create Song section. You will be redirected to the songmaking page. On this page, you will find a list of genres to choose from, including pop, EDM, classical, and a special Christmas genre. Select the genre that best suits your vision for the song. Next, you'll need to choose a singer for your composition. You have the option to test their voices to get a sense of their sound. After you've chosen your singer, there's one final step: writing your song. Simply enter your lyrics into the provided text field. Once you've finished, click the Create Song button and patiently wait for the AI to generate your unique composition. Once your song is complete, you have the option to listen to it with both voice and music, or just the voice alone.
Voicemod text a song is ice first generative music free online to this text is sing to allows any user to create songs from scratch.
Additionally, you can download your song for further use or sharing. But wait, there's more. If you click on Create Content and proceed to the next page, you'll find an exciting feature called Generate Speech from Text. This powerful tool utilizes advanced and versatile AI technology to generate spoken audio from any text you provide. As you explore this feature, you'll discover a variety of voices to choose from. When you input your text into the designated text field, the selected voice character will speak the text for you. Let me provide you with an example to demonstrate how it works.
Voicemod text-to-song is AI first generative music free online tool. This text-to-sing tool allows any user to create songs from scratch by simply telling the song generator the desired lyrics.
That's all for today's video. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment suggesting what you'd like to see in our future videos. Thanks for watching.